So when I bought my TJ, it came with these switches, which I do not like. I'm gonna remove this and put the original one back on. And we all know this is the original piece where you can put the switches and it has the lighter. I haven't found a way to remove this lighter, so I'm gonna have to buy a new one. And what I did, I bought a 5-inch by 6-inch piece of plastic, very similar to the plastic that we use for the double dins and all that, right? Kind of looks like the plastic right here that's using the AC cooler or whatever control panel. So these buttons up here, I have 3 front lights, a light bar, and 2 more lights. These are temporary colors. It's gonna be yellow, orange, yellow. And these are gonna be blue. And this one is gonna be orange or yellow. This is my rear top light. So when I want to turn on my rear light, that'll be it. My light bar, side, the ones that go on the side of the Jeep. Some aren't connected yet, so that's why they're not turning on, but you get the point. Next to the little blue button, I'm gonna put the USB entrances, and down here we'll find the switches for the lockers and the ashtray thingy, or the lighter plug in the middle. Rear locker, front locker, and the lighter plug or whatever you call it. USB, rear top light, light bar, side lights, front lights. And believe it or not, I didn't even spend more than 20 bucks on this, because all those switches are what, like 60 bucks, $70, $40. Not even $20 I spent on this. Might look shitty, but it does the job, so
they might get you by surprise if you let it slide. But if you build for the shit, then you might survive. Guess I see you when you wake up on the other side.